One developer replaced a whole stack of paid cloud services. He built the first working version in 3 days, then he gave it away, free, forever, and let anyone run it on their own server. So here is the pitch. Coolify is an open source platform you host yourself, a free replacement for Vercel, Heroku, and Netlify. Point it at a server you own, and it deploys your apps, your databases, and full websites. It is licensed Apache 2.0, free forever, with nothing held behind a paywall. It has crossed 58,000 stars on GitHub, and Andras Bacai, a developer in Hungary, wrote that first version in 3 days. Enjoying this so far? Subscribe to the YouTube channel and grab the free daily newsletter at indiehacker.news. New deep dive every weekday. Open the README and let it scroll. Up top sit the badges, the license, the latest release, the Discord link. Keep going and you reach the pitch line. Deploy to any box using only an SSH connection. Scroll into the feature grid, push to deploy from GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and Gitea. A little further down, automatic SSL certificates and scheduled database backups. Then the services section, more than 280 tools you can install with a single click. And near the bottom, the line that matters most, every setting is saved on your own server, so nothing here can lock you in later. The reason to host it yourself comes down to money and control. On Vercel or Heroku, every new project you ship is another recurring bill on somebody else's machine. Coolify turns that around. You rent one server for roughly $4 to $5 a month, and every app you put on it is only more load on hardware you already pay for. The cost of shipping one more side project drops toward the price of that one box. And since everything runs on your own machine, there is no vendor holding your setup hostage and no lock-in to price you out down the road. Now, put up the numbers that tell the real story here. The installs running out in the wild, the customers paying for the hosted version, how close the sponsor goal sits, and the size of that Discord. Here is what you get once it is running. Start with deployments. Connect a Git repo from GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or Gitea, and every push you make ships on its own. Open a pull request, and Coolify spins up a full preview deployment for that branch, a live URL you can open before anything merges. Every app you deploy gets an automatic Let's Encrypt certificate, so HTTPS is handled, and you never touch a config file for it. It backs your databases up on a schedule, straight into any S3 compatible storage. And there is a real terminal right in the browser, so you can shell into a running container without leaving the dashboard. Want to be featured? Pitch your open source repo at indiehacker.news/apply and get in front of thousands of builders. Now, the bigger picture. Coolify ships a catalog of more than 280 services you can launch with one click, databases, analytics, whole open source apps already packaged and ready. It exposes a public API so you can script your deployments instead of clicking through a panel. A single Coolify instance can manage an effectively unlimited number of remote servers at the same time. It reaches out to each server's Docker engine over the wire and acts as one control plane for all of them. And here is the part that earns real trust. If you ever tear Coolify down and delete it, every application it deployed simply keeps running. It sets your infrastructure up, it does not hold it hostage. Under the hood, the real surprise is what it is written in. Coolify is roughly 79% PHP and 18% Blade, built on top of the Laravel framework, not the stack most people would guess for serious infrastructure tooling. To run it, you need exactly one thing, a Docker engine and nothing else. It works on anything that can run Docker, ARM or AMD64, all the way down to a Raspberry Pi sitting on your desk, and it reaches your machines over plain SSH. So a box on EC2, DigitalOcean, Linode, or Hetzner all connect in exactly the same way. Installing the whole thing is almost anticlimactic. You spin up one cheap server, run a single install script, and Coolify pulls down its own Docker containers and configures itself from there. A few minutes later, you open a browser, create your account, and you are staring at your own private deployment dashboard. No license key to buy, no per-seat pricing, nothing to phone home and activate. The step everyone dreads turns out to be the easy part, and this is not some stalled experiment gathering dust. The most recent release, version 4.1.2, shipped on June 4th, 2026. That is release number 680, sitting on top of nearly 16,000 commits of history. It is also no longer a one-man project. For years, this was only Andras coding it on nights and weekends. Today, there are two full-time maintainers, Andras and a developer who goes by Peak, keeping a full platform patched and shipping for hundreds of thousands of installs. Now for the honest verdict with the trade-offs attached. When you self-host, you become the operations team. There is no support line to call at 3 in the morning when a deploy falls over. And the project itself is a live experiment you can watch in real time. Giving the software away built an enormous user base, but the founder's last public word on the money was blunt. The donations were not enough to live on, and he was still taking freelance work on the side. That is the whole reason a paid cloud runs right alongside the free one. For a builder shipping a dozen small things a year, this is one of the best deals in infrastructure as long as you are willing to own the box. The real open question is whether giving it all away can ever pay a salary. The full write-up is in today's edition at indiehacker.news.